Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, make sure that you tap at the touch controls. Touch controls located at the back side of the earbuds. Right here at the top we have it. Now, if you know that you tap at the touch controls, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case. Now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. To prove it for you, let's move to the Bluetooth, and right here, as you can see, there is no connection. If you have Android, it will move to save devices, and it also means that it's disconnected. And then you just remove it from the charging case, and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone. And as you can see, we have connection. Now, if it also didn't help you need to check it, of course. And if it didn't help you, the last one is to open Sony Sound Connect application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application and you will see this menu. Scroll down and go to device settings. Then click at the system at the top. And right here we have gestures. Click the settings icon and maybe it's set to none. So as you can see, we need to change it. If you have the same, just select something, let's say this one. Or you can also click at the right earbud and check it for the right earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.